We would have spaghetti and some kind of pasta almost 3 times a week, but Sunday was pasta.
Can I have some cheese, please?
It wasn't always a sauce that we made on Sunday, but it became the sauce that we always made on Sunday. So I always make sure that I get the vodka sauce for them. My mother started making it a few years before she passed, and she made it a little bit differently, but she was the one that introduced it, and then it became an all-time favorite. We didn't even call it pasta back then, we called it macaroni. No, macaroni and meatballs, and then she would make chicken and lemon sauce. That was our Sunday traditional meal. Daddy always used to say, you have to put love into your cooking, otherwise people won't appreciate it. Well, that might be, but who can measure love? I put love into my cooking because I know people enjoy it. My children love homemade meals, but I think presentation is very much a part of it.
I see 20 people.
That family is the most important gift that God gives us. Dinner time is precious time. That was when family exchanged their life together, their day together. And home cooking can definitely bring your kids together, especially when they live far away.